Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide or add fillable text box border using PDF-XChange Editor. This is my fillable PDF from text box and I will add this border, this text box. Select form option and select field and drag your mouse cursor select two of this and press right button and select properties dialog box. This right side panel and this is border option. Border color I will make this border color and border thickness 3 and see this border now shown. If you want you can hide this border, highlight, add, select this border option, select none and see this no border showing here, only blue fillable field. Yeah, in this way you can add or hide your text box border. And finally select this file option, save or save as and fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.